guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian here at Diamond Ranch Farmstead. In this week's video, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of things to kind of revamp your chicken coop, and I'm going to show you guys our setup. All right, so this is the coop. This is the main area of the coop. You can see the little area where they go in every day, every night. It's always open, that never gets shut. This is the back portion of the coop, and this right here, this door opens so it flips up and we can take all their bedding out and just scrape it like on the ground. This is kind of the coolest part. This section right here was originally used for, like, we called it a goat sanctuary. So we had a few chickens in here and we had 2 goats, and when they had their babies, we locked them in here. That way no predators can get the goats or anything like that. This was before we had like guardian livestock dogs. But if we come in here, you can see we have one little perch for the chickens. And then if we come around here, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see the whole thing. This is basically the coop. And right here, you open this up. We got one vicious and mean broody hen. And then we got this girl. And this is typically where they're supposed to lay their eggs. But as you can see, they don't always do that. Because, I mean, it's getting broken down. It needs to be reorganized. But that, excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, I need to shut this. I need to shut this. But this is what this looks like right here. We keep this closed all the time until we check eggs. This little window right here is something that I open when it's really hot. As the summer months come around, I open this and keep it open. If it's going to be really cold, then I shut it. But it has like a mesh right here. So, and if we come around here, we open this right here and kind of see a little ramp. We no longer let the chickens in this section right here because they go underneath the coop, like underneath, and then lay their eggs, and I can't get to the eggs. So we have this door right here, and you can open it and you can kind of see the inside of it. I think I've showed you guys this before on other videos, but it's always fun to show again. But this is basically the coop, and it has chicken wire, you know, in the ceiling and everything, so no predators can get in. It definitely needs to be, you know, we're going to put another thin layer of bedding down here, another wood chips, and I'll do that also. Hey, you get back, Miss Hen. Don't you come down here either. I don't want you locked in here. But you, oh no, see, she's gonna, see you guys, she just went underneath there. Well, I gotta leave it out now. So now I have to leave this open because they snuck in. Half of the chickens typically end up right here. They all like sit right here. Some even, like, no joke, some even sit like up here. And then the rest go in the coop. So we don't have a whole lot. What are you guys doing? It's like new. What? Well, clean up everything in there then. Look at the roosters like, hey, this is awesome. But otherwise, we're going to go ahead and rebed the coop. We're going to also put some more wood chips like in this area because I like to have this all nice. All right, guys. No! Oh my gosh. You ruined the shot. You ruined it. Really? Let's try this again, shall we? All right, so the wood chips that we use is Tractor Supply. We just get a couple of these and it works really well. So we're gonna just... Sorry, Miss Hen. Kind of messed everything up for you. We're just gonna... There you go. You guys, it smells already so much better in here. Almost a little too strong. Oh, this is nice. It already smells so much better, girl. As for a feeder, we use these kind of feeders if we're going to be like on vacation or something. our farm sitter will come and fill these 5-gallon jugs up. But as you can see, this one's broke, so we have to do another one. This is just like a DIY project. Super easy. Have a lid like so. And then you put your feed inside there. It's gross, yeah, sorry. And they just stick their heads through there and they eat. I have noticed though, they enjoy kicking the dirt around and doing, oh my gosh. What is upset? Why are you upset? What's going on? What's happening here? Are you okay? She's angry. Why is she so loud? Huh? Did you just lay an egg? No. They're angry about something. I find that they really enjoy just kind of scratching the dirt and kind of doing their thing. I gotta show you guys my new chickens. These are Delawares. If I can get the gate open. This would be nice if I can get the gate open. Okay, little ones. Okay. Nope, nope, don't come in. I don't know if they're old enough to eat corn yet, but I guess we're gonna find out. Give them a big old huge pile. And, y'all, I have been feeding my chickens this little treat for about a month and a half now, and they absolutely love it. If you guys want to try your own, there will be a link in the description below. Click on that and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So basically, it's just grubs. I don't know if you can see it. And I just sprinkle, and they love it. They love it. So yeah, go ahead and go down to the link in the description below and give it a try. Some pretty good stuff. You know what? It's kind of interesting. They smell like barbecued potato chips. After I fed the chicks, I had Ben help me put together our little chicken coop perch for the rest of our chickens who don't have a really good place to perch. Then we went outside and he also helped me put together our DIY 5-gallon bucket chicken feeder. As you can see, he's drilling the holes. So the attachment is screwed in to the side of the bucket. This is where they stick their head in and they can peck the food that's inside of the bucket. Then we have to put the attachment from the old bucket onto the new bucket so the lid can then screw on the top of the new bucket. It's a little bit tough. You have to really press hard. See? Then the lid just screws on the bucket. There you have it. There's the feeder. Then we put on a cute little light that's solar powered for the outside of my coop. I loved it so much that I think I'm gonna have to get 2 more. And then just for fun, he put my sign, Chicken Crossing, on the chicken door. Well guys, it's finished. I bought this off Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description below. They say it can hold up to 2 chickens per step. So hopefully it'll give something for the other chickens to perch on at night, because sometimes they are all like crowded on the ground right here and then on this stick right here. So I will show you guys how they like it tonight, whether they like it or not. Let's see. Oh, they're not on it. Guys, what am I gonna do? I may have to like get one and put on it. I'm not sure. But they're not. See how they like are all over here and down here and then up here and then like up there? Guys. Well, my friends, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It helps the channel. And don't forget to turn on that bell for the notifications for the next video. We'll see you guys.